Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the amazing world of plants and uncovering the secrets behind their superpower, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is how plants make their own food, and it's happening all around us. Plants are like tiny food factories, using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own energy. This process is essential for life on Earth, as it provides the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat. Without plants, our planet would be a very different place. We rely on them for so much. So, let's explore the magic of photosynthesis and discover how plants turn sunlight into energy. Photosynthesis begins with sunlight. Plants have special cells called chloroplasts that contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll acts like a solar panel, capturing light energy from the sun. This light energy is essential for the next steps of photosynthesis. It's like plugging in your blender. You need that electrical energy to get the blades spinning. Plants have evolved over millions of years to become incredibly efficient at capturing sunlight. Their leaves are broad and flat to maximize their surface area for absorbing those precious rays. Next time you see a plant basking in the sun, remember that it's soaking up energy to fuel its food-making process. Water is another crucial ingredient in the photosynthesis recipe. Plants absorb water through their roots and it travels up the stem to the leaves, where photosynthesis takes place. But water isn't just a passive ingredient, it plays an active role in the process. During photosynthesis, water molecules are split apart, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere as a byproduct. That's right, the oxygen we breathe comes from the splitting of water molecules during photosynthesis. Plants are amazing oxygen factories, constantly replenishing the air we need to survive. So next time you take a deep breath of fresh air, thank a plant for its hard work. Now let's talk about carbon dioxide, a gas that plays a crucial role in the life cycle of plants and the health of our planet. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores on their leaves called stomata. These microscopic openings are essential for the plant's ability to breathe and absorb the carbon dioxide they need. Carbon dioxide is like the building block for glucose, the sugary food that plants crave. Without it, plants wouldn't be able to produce the energy they need to grow and thrive. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide molecules are combined with the hydrogen atoms from the split water molecules. This chemical reaction is fundamental to the creation of glucose. This process requires a lot of energy, which is where the captured sunlight comes in handy. Sunlight provides the necessary energy to drive the photosynthesis process, enabling plants to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. It's like putting together a puzzle. The carbon dioxide molecules are like the puzzle pieces, and the energy from sunlight helps to fit them together into a glucose molecule. Each piece must be in the right place for the plant to create its food. Plants are incredible carbon capturers, removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and locking it up in the form of sugars. This not only helps the plants grow, but also reduces the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. This process is essential for regulating Earth's climate and preventing the buildup of greenhouse gases. By absorbing carbon dioxide, plants play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem and combating climate change. Section 5, chlorophyll, the green pigment that makes it all happen. Let's dive deeper into chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their green color and plays a starring role in photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is found within chloroplasts, those tiny solar panels inside plant cells. Chlorophyll absorbs light most strongly in the blue and red portions of the electromagnetic spectrum, which is why plants appear green to our eyes. Green light is reflected, not absorbed. Different pigments in plants absorb different wavelengths of light. Chlorophyll is just one of many pigments, but it's the most important for photosynthesis. Without chlorophyll, plants wouldn't be able to capture sunlight and convert it into chemical energy. It's the key that unlocks the magic of photosynthesis. Section 6, the Calvin cycle, turning carbon dioxide into sugar. Now that we've covered the initial steps of photosynthesis, let's explore the Calvin cycle, where the real magic happens. This is the stage where plants take the carbon dioxide from the air and transform it into something incredibly useful. The Calvin cycle is a series of intricate chemical reactions that take place in the chloroplasts, the specialized structures within plant cells During the Calvin cycle, the carbon dioxide captured from the air is converted into glucose, the simple sugar that plants use for energy and to build their structures. This glucose is essential for the plant's growth and development. This entire process is powered by the energy carriers ATP and NADPH, which are generated during the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis. These molecules store and transport the energy needed for the Calvin cycle to proceed. Think of them as little battery packs, delivering energy where it's needed. Without these energy carriers, the Calvin cycle wouldn't be able to function. The Calvin cycle is like a complex factory assembly line, with each step carefully orchestrated to transform carbon dioxide into glucose. Each phase of the cycle is crucial and must occur in a specific sequence to ensure the successful production of glucose. It's a testament to the incredible complexity and efficiency of plant biology. The Calvin cycle not only highlights the intricate processes within plants, but also underscores the remarkable efficiency with which they convert sunlight into usable energy. Section 7. The importance of photosynthesis. Why we need plants. Photosynthesis is the foundation of almost all life on Earth. It's the primary source of energy for most ecosystems, and the process that produces the oxygen we breathe. Plants, as the primary producers, form the base of the food chain. They convert sunlight into energy, which is then passed on to herbivores, carnivores, and eventually to us. Photosynthesis also plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. By absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, plants help to mitigate the effects of climate change. Without photosynthesis, our planet would be a vastly different place, lacking the vibrant ecosystems and breathable atmosphere we depend on for survival. Section 8. Fun facts about photosynthesis, amazing plant power. Did you know that some animals can photosynthesize too? It's a fascinating phenomenon that blurs the lines between plant and animal kingdoms. It's true. The eastern emerald elysia, a type of sea slug, can incorporate chloroplasts from the algae it eats into its own cells, allowing it to photosynthesize. This unique ability enables the sea slug to harness the sun's energy just like plants do. And get this, scientists estimate that plants produce over 150 billion tons of glucose through photosynthesis every year. This process not only fuels the plants themselves, but also supports countless other organisms in the ecosystem. That's a lot of sugar. Ever heard of bioluminescence? It's another incredible way organisms interact with light. Some organisms, like fireflies and certain jellyfish, can produce their own light through chemical reactions. This bioluminescence is used for various purposes, such as attracting mates or deterring predators. While not directly related to photosynthesis, it shows the incredible diversity of ways that organisms can harness energy. The natural world is full of wonders that continue to amaze scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. These fun facts highlight the wonder and importance of photosynthesis in the natural world. From the tiniest sea slug to the vast forests, the power of photosynthesis is truly amazing and essential for life on Earth. Section 9. Conclusion. Keep exploring the world of plants. Photosynthesis is a truly remarkable process, essential for life as we know it. By capturing sunlight and converting it into chemical energy, plants provide the oxygen we breathe, the food we eat, and help to regulate our planet's climate. Next time you see a plant, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of photosynthesis at work. From the tiniest leaf to the tallest tree, plants are constantly working to sustain life on Earth. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of the natural world.